Hello everybody. As a summary of today's lesson, we cover today the nominative, the word order, as well as introduce the first masculine nouns. Nominative case. In Pali, 8 case categories are needed in order to describe the connections in which nouns are used. And if one wants to define this most strictly, then it would be 6 cases, because the genitive as well as the vocative, strictly speaking, wouldn't count as a case. The nominative is used for the agent or subject of an active sentence, i.e. the subject of an active verb. Brahmanopassati, the priest sees. The nominative case is used for any attribute of an agent in the nominative case, including one predicated of it by means of a verb meaning to be. Sometimes there is no verb in Pali in this sentence, in this type of sentence. So the attribute usually follows the agent or the subject, e.g. with verb. Brahmano mahamato hoti, the priest is a minister. Or without a verb, eso samano, this is the philosopher, where is needs to be supplied in square brackets. This curious feature of verbs meaning to be, the copula, distinguishing them from all other verbs, must be firmly fixed in mind. When there is a verb expressing an action as well, such an attribute may still be applied to the agent without any verb meaning to be. Brahmano mahamato passati, the priest who is the minister sees. So here who is needs to be supplied in square brackets. We would actually have to say Brahmano mahamato hoti passati, the priest who is a minister sees, but hoti is omitted here. Or it is implied by the context. The nominative case, thirdly, the nominative case is used with or governed by certain indeclinables relating it to the action in place of another case related directly to the verb, e.g. Yena gamo upasamkami, he approaches towards the village. And fourth, the nominative form is used when a word is quoted or cited to refer simply to itself, e.g. kayo ti, body, or body in quotation marks, or the word or the term body. It is in accordance with this convention that Indian dictionaries and grammars cite words in the nominative, not in the stem form. As regards in the word order, the normal prose word order of a sentence is subject, attribute, object, verb. Thus, the verb is usually at the end, out of which we haven't been introduced to the object yet. So we have only been introduced to either subject and verb, or to subject, attribute, and verb. The orders vary rarely of grammatical value. The agent will still be the agent even if it follows the patient, meaning the object, or the verb. But it is stylistically important. This so much as regarding the word order. And we quickly go through the vocabulary. Upasako, the lay disciple. Kayo, body, substance. Katyo, warrior, noble. Gamo, village. Tathagato, thus gone or thus come. Devo, God or king. Buddho, son. Buddhiso, man, person. Brahmano, priest, Brahman. Maggo, road, way. Manuso, human being, person. Amanuso, non-human being. Mahamato, minister, loko, world, people, or universe. Samano, ascetic wanderer, philosopher. Samayo, a time or occasion. Punadasanaya, Tava Paveya, Subham Mangalam.